Installing a new door in your Palmetto Bay home can enhance curb appeal, improve security, and boost energy efficiency. However, a smooth and functional door installation requires careful planning and execution. Avoiding common mistakes ensures your investment lasts for years to come. Here are 5 pitfalls to steer clear of during door installation in Palmetto Bay. Choosing the wrong door for your space. One of the most common mistakes homeowners make is selecting a door that doesn't suit their home's architectural style, climate, or functional needs. In Palmetto Bay, where the weather is often warm and humid, materials like fiberglass or steel are excellent options for durability and resistance to warping. Wooden doors, while beautiful, may require more maintenance in such conditions. Before purchasing a door, consider the size, material, and design. Measure the frame accurately to avoid issues during installation. Ensure the door complements your home's aesthetics and meets local building codes. Consulting a professional can help you choose the perfect fit for your needs. Neglecting to prepare the door frame. A poorly prepared door frame is a recipe for long-term issues such as misalignment, drafts, or water leaks. Skipping steps like leveling the frame or sealing gaps can compromise the door's functionality and energy efficiency. In Palmetto Bay, where rain and humidity can be significant, waterproofing is essential. Check for wood rot, uneven surfaces, or damage in the door frame. Use a level to ensure the frame is plumb, and apply weatherproofing materials as needed. Proper preparation lays the groundwork for a secure and lasting installation. Incorrect handling of insulation and weatherproofing. Palmetto Bay's tropical climate makes insulation and weatherproofing critical. Failing to properly insulate around the door or install weather stripping can lead to drafts, higher energy bills, and even water intrusion during heavy rains. Use high-quality weather stripping and insulation foam to seal gaps around the door. Pay special attention to the threshold and edges. These simple steps can significantly improve energy efficiency and prevent future problems like mold growth or wood decay caused by moisture infiltration. Overlooking security features. A door is not just an aesthetic element, it's a critical component of your home's security. Overlooking proper hardware installation or opting for cheap, low-quality locks can compromise the safety of your Palmetto Bay home. Choose sturdy locks, hinges, and strike plates. For added security, consider installing a deadbolt or a smart lock system. Ensure screws are long enough to anchor securely into the frame. Palmetto Bay homeowners should also consider hurricane-resistant doors and hardware to withstand extreme weather conditions. Attempting DIY installation without experience. While DIY projects can save money, door installation requires precision and expertise. Without the right tools or knowledge, you might end up with an improperly fitted door, leading to alignment issues, drafts, or even structural damage. If you're not confident in your abilities, it's wise to hire a professional. Experienced installers in Palmetto Bay understand the unique challenges posed by the local climate and building requirements. They can ensure the job is done right the first time, saving you time, money, and headaches. Conclusion: ensure a smooth installation in Palmetto Bay. avoiding these 5 common mistakes during door installation can make a significant difference in the functionality, durability, and aesthetic appeal of your new door. From choosing the right materials to ensuring proper insulation and security, attention to detail is key. Whether you're upgrading your front entry door or installing a patio door, taking the time to do it right, or hiring a trusted professional, will pay off in the long run. In Palmetto Bay, where the climate can be demanding, a properly installed door is not just a matter of convenience but a critical investment in your home's safety, comfort, and value.